So I'm making dinner and I just started about 20 minutes ago, and this is an easy dinner for me because I know how to make it really well. So I'm making the quinoa wraps with black beans, spinach, and avocado. Matty loves these. Steve has this board meeting tonight, so it's kind of girl dinner and Steve's gonna forage. So I have Ezekiel wraps. I still haven't found a great wrap for these. Working on it, but these work well. So basically I have my feta, I have my spinach, black beans, and then quinoa. And what I'm gonna do with the quinoa, like you guys, is basically I do the same thing as I do for the black forbidden rice, is I'm gonna pour it over the pan and add it that way. That way you just don't get a mess in your kitchen. Oh, and I also made my avocado tahini dip. This is so good. I dipped a couple chips in here too, but it's great. You mix this with the quinoa and the black beans, and that's your filling for these wraps. So basically, I'll show you the wrap later, but that's it. So, oh, and I made turmeric roasted cauliflower. Well, I'm gonna roast it, but this is great. If people don't like cauliflower, this just adds flavor. Also, it's just so good for you. There's a teaspoon of turmeric in there, but avocado oil, lemon juice, and cayenne or cumin. So you won't really taste the turmeric. And Steve loves it. And Steve's not a huge fan of cauliflower, but I am actually winning him over to cauliflower with a couple. I've got 3 cauliflower recipes that he actually eats and likes now. So I will be sharing those because we all need to get more veggies in, especially as fall and winter hits. So I'll be back to show you the rest. By the way, this cauliflower is so good. Like I've been eating it. So I have to hide that. And Matty will come home and she will literally just pick at that. But I want to share with you guys, get feta. I love this brand. It's called Mountain Vicos, whatever. But I love it. It's a block of feta and it's so good. When you get the crumbled, it's just not as good. So you get the blocks and you just basically, you crumble it with your hands. I'm gonna crumble it over the tortillas when I put them on there, but super good. I basically put the Ezekiel wrap on here with lots of feta, and then so it's softening it up, and I'm making it like a quesadilla to melt the feta, and then I'll show you the rest. Okay, I'm gonna basically show you an assembly line of making these. So I always do this with my quinoa to kind of keep it, what do you call it? It just gets rid of any excess moisture. So I'm gonna take some quinoa, and I'm gonna put it in a bowl like this. And then I'm gonna take some black beans, as many as you want. Now I'm gonna add some of this yummy avocado tahini dip. And then all I'm gonna do is mix this together until it gets to the consistency I like. I love a lot of the avocado tahini. It's just good and adds flavor to the boring old quinoa and black beans. So this is gonna be the filling that you guys will see me put in here. So, yep, did you hear Matty? She said woohoo quinoa wrap. So, okay, so now that I put the wrap stuff together, so what these wraps is basically, here's what they look like. That is melted feta. We like our feta here, okay? Just saying. So I'm gonna put down some spinach. Might as well get some greens in there, right? So we'll put some spinach down. Don't need too much of that. I'm gonna put down this. So I'm gonna put down some of the quinoa, but not too much, because if I put too much down, I will not be able to shut these. These are not the easiest wraps to work with. So if you can do flour, go get yourself some spinach or some regular wraps. These are just, again, we're trying to eat sprouted. So I'm doing sprouted wraps. And then this is your choice. You can top them with avocado, all that kind of stuff. I did not do the spicy tahini. I just didn't feel like it today. So I don't always do that. That's kind of a new thing. So what I'm gonna do now is you have to go into the tree pose to do this. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna take this and I'm really just gonna stuff it like this and just try and wrap it the best I can. If this was more pliable, it'd be great. And then, again, they might fall apart, but it's okay. So there you go. There is a little avocado quinoa wrappy thing. So, yay.